La Fuerza Aérea utiliza el A-10 para brindar apoyo aéreo cercano. Esto sucede en misiones en que el avión debe volar bajo, para cubrir y ayudar a las tropas terrestres en la batalla.
So our whole mission in life and our whole job in life is to take care of the men and women on the ground. It's the only thing we think about, it's the only thing we train to, it's the only thing we talk about, and it's exactly what this airplane is built to do.